Hello everyone. We are a student from IDN Polytechnic and I am Nafisa. Today we would like to share our experience from our studio visit to Antikode, which took place last Tuesday. Antikode is one of Indonesia's leading digital product development companies. They focus on creating innovative digital solutions such as mobile applications, websites, and other technology based products. Anticode worked with various clients to help transform ideas into digital experience that are useful, functional, and user friendly. During our visit, we were welcomed by the Antikode team and introduced to their company, their vision, and the projects they are worked on. We learned that developing a successful digital product requires strong collaboration between different roles, including designers, developers, product managers, and many others. Each team member contributes to creating products that not only look good but also solve real problems for users. One of the most interesting things we learned was the importance of user centered design. Before creating a product, the team conducts research or understands users' needs, behaviors, and challenges. This process helps them design solutions that are relevant and effective. As visual communication design students, this insight helps us understand that good design is not only about aesthetic but also about functionality and user experience. We also had the opportunity to learn about the workflow used in the digital industry, from brainstorming ideas, conducting research, creating wireframes and prototypes, to developing and testing products. Every stage plays an important role in ensuring quality results. Seeing how these processes are applied in a professional environment gives us a clear picture of how the industry operates. Beyond the technical aspect, the visit also introduced us to Anticode's work culture. We learned about the importance of teamwork, communication, adaptability, and continuous learning in a fast-changing industry. Professionals are encouraged to keep developing their skills and stay updated with new trends and technologies. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to Anticode for welcoming us, sharing their experience, and providing us with valuable insights into the digital industry. Thank you for having us, and we hope to apply the lessons we learned from this visit in our future careers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dias for TRMG. Today, I would like to share the experience I learned during our company visit company to Anticode. Um, During the visit, I gained a better understanding of how digital agency works and how technology is used to solve real world problems. Anticode showed us that creating a digital product is not only about programming. It also involves research, planning, design, testing, and collaboration among team members. One of the most important lessons I learned is the importance of understanding users' needs. Before developing a product, a team must first identify the problems faced by users and then create solutions that are useful, simple, and effective. And this process helps ensure that the final product provides a good user experience. And I also learned about the importance of teamwork at Antikode. Designers, developers, project manager, and other team members work together to achieve the same goal. Good communication and collaboration are essential for completing project successfully and on time. And another lesson I learned is that technology is consistently evolving. Therefore, professionals in the digital industry need to keep learning new skills, adapt to change, and stay updated with the late trends and technologies. Overall, this company visit was a very valuable experience for me. It gave me new insight into the digital industry and motivated me to continue improving my skill in technology, design, and problem solving. So, thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, today I would like to share my experience visiting Antikode Studio. Antikode is digital customer experience agency based in Indonesia. Since its establishment in 2012, Antikode has helped many companies grow through design, technology, and data. The company specializes in UI UX design, web development, mobile develop, digital strategy, and customer experience solution. They have worked with many well-known brands such as BCA, XL, Asiata, Disney, Indonesia, Telkom, and, and many others. During the visit, I learned that creating a successful digital product requires teamwork
karena
from many different
informasi dan
roles.
proyeknya harus berjalannya sama berjalannya baik gitu. Jadi
Aku kita kenalan dulu soalnya kita tadi agak chaos ya kenalannya. Kenalin lagi, aku Melina, panggil Mei bisa. Ini di sini ada teman aku Kiki. Kita berdua ini dari tim desainnya Antikode, specifically itu dari tim experience-nya Antikode gitu. Jadi tim di kreatif itu ada graphic designer sama ada tim experience. Nah kita ini dari tim experience yang UI UX. Nah sedikit
As a
Antikode ini
student,
kita
this
itu
visit gave me
simbolnya
a
itu
clear
agency
picture of the
digital
professional
experience.
world.
Digital itu udah berdiri dari 13 tahun yang lalu, plus 13 plus ya. Nah,
Overall, visiting Antikot was an inspiring experience. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome back with me, Sophia. And today I want to show my studio visit experience to Antikode Studio in Tangerang, in South Tangerang. So it started here. We we came to the company, and then the people there are so humble, and they show us their work studio. Here, so many people work there, and it's like very productive, and also the place is like so cozy and big. I think this is a really nice workplace where you can focus designing, and then also if we see the ambience here, it's like It has cozy places like cozy light, and then cozy place like this. You can sit here where you want to be focused and alone. I think it is really have impact on your productivity too. Yeah, as I learned from here. And then the guide also show us and then explaining us what each room means and how they use the rooms. Yeah, this place is so big. He show us around like this. That this is the discussion place. Yeah, as I see here, it's like very cozy. So coziness also has big impact on our productivity and creativity. Yeah. Okay, after that we move to the bottom the bottom place, the first floor. There's also a office like so many people there. This there with my friends too. After that, there is sharing session here on this room, in the middle room. So first, the lecturer give us introduction and greet us, and then they also introduce themselves. This is Camelia. She is the UI UX designer. She's one of the UI UX designer team, and she explained to us what it is to work at Antikode here. After that, she explained to us like how this Antikode studio began with from the first time, how it was built, what the name of Antikode means, and how long the Antikode have been built. So actually, Antikode was built like it was 10, like 13 years ago. Since 13 years ago, and then there's like more than 100, more than 1,000 project has been delivered. And then she also showcases us some of Anticode project. This is one of their project. It's like very cool and it's like inspiring us. This is for Disney, Walt Disney application, and then they also show us how much the percentage and data of the user and other things. And then here is Kiki. He is the one of the UIX designer in Antikode 2, and he showcases us what he built. He designed in Antikode for another big companies such as Arca Studio, which has a lot of branch like mostly like Chinese restaurant, I guess. And then he show us the data of the campaigns. He also show us that he told us that he worked with McDonald too here as the UI UX designer to make this feature for one seasonal occasion for a bookber season. Yeah, for bookber occasion. He told us how he made this design from receiving the request from McDonald's and then making a brainstorming and then making the features, and then he also explained to us what kind of workflow there is usually in companies, from pitching to deal and kickoff to project starts, where the UI UX journey begins, from research to making UI UX design, then UI design, then after that it's like um, hand over to the developer for the programmer, and then in here there is discussion too with the developer if the feature or the UI isn't possible to make, then the UI UX process they have to redesign again. Yeah, back to the design phase. Then after deal with the programmer, it's like the development, then QA and other like final review. And then if there's another mistake, then they have to back to the previous phases. Then after it's completely deal, they will launch the product and then there will be analysis things. After that, they also show us the brands they work with, like Axis. Here they redesigned their application, Axis application. After that, it is ended with Q&A session where we can ask about UI UX, and then we also ask about internship in Antikode too. Then we also ask several questions. My friends asked several questions about how UI UX works, and then maybe how they work together, and then any other thing related to UI UX. After that, we ended with giving certification to Antikode. Here, and then we also took photos together. For the conclusion, it was really inspiring and motivate us to work harder.
Hi guys, today I would like to share my experience of visit uh, in Antikode. This company visit was a value opportunity for me learn more about the digital industry and how a professional design company operators. During the visit, we were introduced to the company background, work culture, and some of the projects they have worked on. One of the most interesting things I learned was the process of creating digital product from conducting user research, designing interface to development and launch product. Every stake required collaboration, creative, and problem-solving skill. As uh, someone who is interested in UI UX design, I found this visit very inspiring. It helped me understand how the knowledge we learned in class can be applied in real-world project. I also learned the that a good is not only visual appealing but must also provide a meaningful and user-friendly experience. The sharing session with the professional at Antikode give us useful insight about career opportunity, industry expansion, and the importance of continued improving our skill in a fast-changing digital world. Overall, this company visit was amazing experience. It broadened my understanding of the design industry and motivate me to keep learning and developing my skill for my future career. I'm Fadila. See you the next video. Bye bye.
Hello everyone. In the Tuesday morning, I would like to share my experience during our company visit to Antikode studio in South Tangerang. From the moment we arrived, we were warmly welcomed by Antikode studio team, and their hospitality made us feel comfortable and excited to learn more about the company. During the visit, we were introduced to many of their staff members and learned about their roles in the company. And they explained various aspects of the creative and digital industry, including design, branding, and product development. And the explanation were very insightful and helped us understand how a professional creative agency operates. And we were also given a lot of valuable knowledge and practical insight from their experience working with clients. One of the most interesting things we learned was that Antika Studio has worked with many well-known brands. Through their design and branding strategies, they have helped this brand improve their image, reach more customers, and significant increase their revenue. And this visit was a very meaningful experience for me because it gave me a better understanding of the real working environment in the creative industry. And it also inspired me to continue learning and developing my skill for the future. Overall, I'm very grateful for the opportunity to visit Antikode Studio because it was an enjoyable and educational experience that provide us with valuable lesson and inspiration. Okay, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, Assalamualaikum, Fayaza, and so today I want to talk about my visit company yesterday and Friday, and then maybe I want to talk the first. I visit company in Antikode studio, and I want to show you more about the website Antikode with Yao. Antikode studios have two company, two place, two office in Jakarta and then in Bandung too. Isn't like that, guys? You can see, guys. Wait. Things like that.
And Antikode Studio is working since 13 years 13 years plus, because the teamwork is say like that. And then I'm visit the company with all my friends in same major, is design major, design UI UX major. And then in visit company we talk, we give many questions, we have and we get learn many things about the design, about the working, about the working, and then about the part-time. It's like that. And then I'm very happy. For me, I'm his company in Antikode Studio, as I'm very happy. I'm very, yeah, it's very helpful for me to learn about working word, like maybe the working area. I learn like that. And for I get learn maybe just tips. I'm very remember, because this is my question to team Antikode. I guess I asked some question like how to director in any company, in maybe a design company, design studio, meet or have criteria for the new crew or the new team. Because I think I asked like that because I want to know the criteria, the standard company have. And then the team Antikode say to me or answer my question. It's like you need to have your skill is the first, and the important is you have skilled. And then I think like the skill you can you have skill like in illustration, or you have skill in UX or UI design. And then I think you have skill in After Effects 2D, After Effects video, or videography or photography maybe. And yes, like that. And then you need to have the good portfolio you have, because the portfolio in design company is very important, because in portfolio and CV is important too, but in portfolio we can director or HRD can see your skill, can see your project, can see your thing. Because in portfolio we show anything, we have project like that. And then in portfolio you just need to showing, or you showing the good the very good your project, not all. I think if you want to show your all project, you can just point, and then you can just point like all project is point, but you need to give the very good your project, isn't like that. It's very important. And then design company is not to one it's not like the template portfolio, like maybe as very many peoples or many new team or new crew give the portfolio in HRD or director, like that is like the what the start one is gone. Your portfolio is like start one, okay, you can HRD got you, but in step 2 you gone. The portfolio you can, the portfolio you, if your portfolio is you this portfolio you is you bye bye, like that. And then I wanna say what again, oh, and the crew and the team, all team in Antikode, maybe except UI/UX team, and then the two narasumber is narasumber too, I think it's narasumber can say can give me many things. And then all team in Antikode is very kind, inshallah. It's very good, it's very friendly, and then the place in Antikode is very awesome. It's very I want come to again. I think I wish I can come back to Antikode. I want back to Antikode. I can come back to Antikode, but not with not as students, but as crew or team Antikode. So yeah, maybe amin, Allahumma amin. Maybe enough for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you, thank you guys.